filter taking pictures of.
I broke the string.
You did? Oh, so now it's just.
What down the string?
Oh, there's the bow. There goes the bow.
There goes the bow.
What is that?
What could it be?
I don't know.
You don't know.
You don't know what it is?
No. Ooh, I found a place to open it.
Or there's, well, it might be easier somewhere else. At the other side.
Yep, that's the other side. Oh my goodness, there's actually a place to open it.
Is there a place to open it?
Open it here.
Ah.
Let's open it over here. Maybe get this open somehow. I want to lift it.
Or,
Poppers!
oh, poppers.
Poppers! Pop, 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 pop. Yay! I need my boot. I need my boot to pop it. Can I have my boot to pop it?
I wonder what it is. What could it? What could it be?
Horsey!
Oh my God!
Humongous horsey. Come on, help me. Oh,
There's a. What is it?
that's a humongous horsey I ever seen. It's a humongous horsey. It's a humongous horsey.
It's a humongous horsey?
Yeah. We might need a little help.
Okay.
It's big. Giant.
A big horsey?
Yeah. Yep, it is.
Whoa!
Wow. Wow. It's a big horsey.
Wow!
Humongous! Let's put it on the ground. This is humongous.
I bet you can ride it.
Yeah, I bet I can ride it. That's
Here.
stable.
All right, let's see if. Yep. I think you.
You want
Here, let's see.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's see here. Okay.
Humongous.
Humongous.
Wow. Hello, horsey. No. Look at this little horsey. I love it.
Ah.
Come on, get on it.
Here. Here. It holds you. Whoa. Jesus. Oh, my battery's running out.
Look, look.
Wow.
Can I see
You
the
can
whole
ride
thing?
the horsey.
You can ride it. It's made to ride. Which is
Wow.
great.
What a
Wow, I wonder how. Oh, because it's metal.
Is it metal?
Plush horse.
It's wired.
It's wired. Here.
Wow. And look at her. You're real
It's got a tail.
Oh my goodness, what type is this?
It's Melissa and Doug. Okay, you got more presents. My battery's running out.
Look at me! Oh.
Oh, right here, Alex. There we go. I got. Okay. My battery's running out.